Hey guys, it's me, Vincenzo. In today's video, we're going to be opening up a Arceus V-Box again, because last time didn't get anything, so we're going to try more like now.
Luck! We need luck! Please, luck.
God, give us the luck. So,
Shut up.
hey.
Name a prize.
Yo, it's like a little tie-dye.
Name a prize.
Then we got...
Name a prize.
Alright, we're gonna get right into this once I take... Hey! Don't touch nothing. Go get the sleeves up there. Arceus V promo card. There you go. I'm gonna sleeve that in the wheel. You got your Arceus V figure. There you go, mate. Packs. Then you have a code card.
Code card.
And then we have our packs. There you go. Those two. I'm gonna sleeve up this Arceus and
I went first last time, so you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
You go first.
No, you go first.
You go first.
No, you go first.
You go first.
Alright, you go first.
No, you go.
Alright, stop. No. Billy goes. I want you to go first. Can we switch packs?
You get what you get, and you don't get it.
If you get something out of that pack,
I'll give it to you.
yeah.
Because all the rare
everything
cards
that
and all the cards
hold on.
are yours.
Everything that we get,
Except
I give to her, but only. Okay, I'm using the pack. I only give her the cards if I have 2 of them. So, ready? Here we go.
And you have 2 of those.
Yeah. So ready? No, I traded the other one. I'm gonna keep that one. I'm keeping it off limits. Energy. Lexio. Right. Yeah. Lexio. Choice Bell. Pachirisu. Chimchar. Passport. Golett. Bidden. Shinx. Ooh! Alcremie. Yo! We got double Simsy V and an Alcremie.
There you go.
Ooh, I can already tell this box to be fire. Alright, so 2 cards that I don't have.
Okay.
Yes. Alcremie
There we
character card and the Sims here.
Here we go.
We
Please
got
get
3
something.
hits so far.
Please get something.
3 things so far.
So this. I don't want to bend the cards because they might be rare.
Wait, did I show you guys the code card? If I didn't,
Bam! Dang! I didn't even do anything.